So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. Then you can see this is search button. Then enter your model number of motherboard H610M KV2 and then hit enter. Then click on name of the title. Then click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10, 11, any. So both installations process same. So first audio driver and click to download. This is downloading 165. You can see I already downloaded this file. So click same file, same size. You can see this is 165 and just open it. And first this is extract and copy, and after that start downloading and install it. And then click on yes. This is installing. You can see this audio driver. So it is close means this is automatically close means this is install, and then close it. Slow down. Chipset. So first install this Intel serial driver and click to download. So it is completed. Just open, double click to it. Then click on yes. Now this is extract and now this is just installation. So you can see this install Intel serial. Okay, this install and close it. Then install this one Intel INF installations. So click to download. And this is completed. Just open it and double click to, and then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. So it is closed means this is installed, and then close it. LAN driver, LAN, and click to download. Always try to latest. So it is completed. Just single click to open and double click to exe. This is extract, and after that start installation. And then close this and install VGA and click to download. So it is downloaded. Just open it and double click to exe. Click on yes. Now this is first extract and then installing. Now this is installing this graphic driver. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed, and close it. Then restart your system, guys. Thank you.